Hey there, if you're missing out on important texts due to sound notifications, not working on your iPhone after updating to iOS 17/18, you're not alone. Let's dive into a quick fix for this common issue. Here's how to get your text alerts back on track. Let's get started. Part 1. Why iPhone text message sound not working? Having trouble with iPhone text sounds? Try these quick fixes. Disable Do Not Disturb. Update iOS. Check Internet. Disconnect Bluetooth. Fix software glitches. Simple steps to get your alerts back. Part 2 to 9 Easy Fixes for iPhone Text Sound Not Working. Fix 1. Turn off Do Not Disturb. Go to Settings, Focus, Do Not Disturb. Check People for any contacts. Under Silence notifications from and remove them to get text sounds. Fix 2. Disconnect Bluetooth on iPhone. Bluetooth might block iPhone text alerts. Try turning it off to see if that helps. If you need Bluetooth for other devices, unpair and reconnect them to fix the sound issue. Fix 3. Check notification settings for messages. Open Settings and go to Messages Notifications. Make sure the Allow Notifications toggle is on. Under the Alerts section, enable all 3 alert types and select a sound for the sound option. Fix 4. Check Mute Switch and Text Tone. Open Settings and go to Sounds and Haptics, Ringtones, and Alerts. Check that the volume slider is turned up. Find the Text Tones option in the middle of the screen. If it's set to None, select a ringtone from the list to enable sound alerts for messages. Fix 5. Check the Contacts app. Open the Contacts app on your iPhone. Find the contact that is not playing the text tone. Tap Edit and select Text Tone. Select the new ringtone from the list and tap Done to save the changes. Fix 6. No sound when iPhone is locked. Open Settings and go to Notifications, Messages. Make sure the Show on Lock Screen toggle switch is turned on. Fix 7. Force quit the Message app. Swipe up halfway to open the app switcher, then swipe up on the Messages app to close it. Fix 8. Force restart iPhone. Press volume up, then down, and finally hold side button until Apple logo shows. Fix 9. Use an iOS system repair tool. If your iPhone text sound stopped working after iOS 17/18, it might be a software glitch. Try using a repair tool like iOS System Recovery to fix it without losing data. It can restore sound and fix other issues. 1. Install iOS System Recovery on your PC and connect your iPhone via USB. 2. Choose iOS System Recovery from the More Tools menu. 3. Select Standard Mode to fix issues without data loss. 4. Verify iPhone details and let the program download the right firmware. 5. Fix and restart. After the process, check if text sounds are back by receiving a message.